You know this is a great time to buy a home because mortgage rates are at historically low levels. But is it a good time to refinance your home? Well, I have somebody that may have that answer for you. Jeannine Henrion of Group 1 Mortgage. Is this a good time to refinance your home?
It could be, Kurt. Rates are, lower. We just had a nice little dip. And we've also had improvements on FHA loans in the monthly mortgage insurance rate. So for a lot of people, they can, save a couple $100s a month by refinancing right now.
Is there a rule of thumb of when it's a good time to refinance your mortgage?
Normally I like to see about a point improvement in the note rate. That said, with the combination of maybe a half point movement in the note rate and a half point improvement in the mortgage insurance rate, it may make sense for a lot of homeowners to refinance now.
And that's the calculation that you can do.
Absolutely. I can calculate their savings and calculate a break-even point on, how many months it will take them to cover their closing costs and start to, really accumulate the monthly savings.
Mm-hmm. Let's say a viewer is watching right now and then watches the interest rates on the internet and calls you and says, I need a refinance mortgage today. Jeannine, today.
I wish the market were that incredibly steady and stable. What would be better for the homeowner to do is to, really establish a reasonable target rate, talk to their licensed mortgage professional,
Such as you.
such as myself or one of my colleagues at Group 1 Mortgage, and get their paperwork in order, get their application in place so that if the rate they desire does show up and it's short-lived, we're in a position to lock that rate in for them. Oftentimes with market fluctuations, that rate may be here for you today, but not tomorrow.
But it can't happen at all unless you have the paperwork in first.
Correct.
And then how long can you lock in a rate?
It depends, Kurt. We can do 15-day locks, we can do 30-day locks, 45-day, 60-day locks. But remember, time is money. So you may be able to get, let's just say easy numbers, a rate of 4% on a 15-day lock. But if you need a 60-day lock, that might be 4.25%. So really, for the homeowner to have their ducks in a row and have their paperwork in place, it really enables the loan officer to be on top of the market for them.
And it all starts with the paperwork first.
Absolutely.
Jeannine Henrion, Group 1 Mortgage. Thanks for being here talking about refinancing.
It's my pleasure, Kurt.